Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to look at integrating Adobe Premiere with other applications. In this sequence, we're going to work with Adobe Premiere and After Effects. So each of these applications are standalone. Adobe Premiere being a video editing suite, which does allow for some creation of titling and motion graphics. And then you can expand that by using After Effects, which is a powerhouse for special effects, titling, animation, and motion graphics. So I can combine those two and I can move fluidly between After Effects and Adobe Premiere. And what I want to do in these series of exercises is show you just a few of the different ways that you can do this. So let's get into it. So I have Premiere open, and we've loaded the project called Export a Video File. Okay, so that's in your project folder. And I've got clips in the timeline. And the first thing I'm going to do is take a clip and jump it from Premiere into After Effects. So when I do this, what I usually do is I duplicate the clip on the timeline. I hold down the Alt Option key, drag, and make a duplicate of that clip. And then that way, if something goes wrong to the original clip, I can just copy it again. So now that I've duplicated it, I'm going to right click, and choose the command Replace with After Effects Composition. And that's going to open After Effects and import the clip. Now, if I already have After Effects open, it'll be part of the project that's already open in After Effects. If After Effects isn't open, it's going to launch After Effects, and it's going to ask me to give the project a name. So After Effects is now opening. In a moment, it's going to switch over. I'm opening After Effects from scratch. And now I'm in After Effects, and I'm going to give this project a title. And the best thing to do is to put this After Effects project in the folder with your Premiere project and keep everything in a tidy bundle. I'll just call this Test. And I'm going to click Save. And now it's going to import that video clip. Now the video clip starts in a blank frame, but here's the video clip. So now I can apply any type of effect I want to this clip, and it's going to be updated immediately in Premiere, and that's an example of the Adobe Dynamic Linking, where I can link files directly back and forth between After Effects and Premiere. So you have to be careful about managing that link, making sure that you establish that link, and making sure you save the files as you move back and forth between the two applications. So if I go to Effects and Presets, and I come down, say, into color correction, and I do something to this thing, let's say I make it black and white. I drop that on, I've turned that clip into black and white. If I go back into Premiere, you'll see that that clip has been conformed to black and white. So if I go back to After Effects, and I'm going to come over here and turn off or delete that and apply something else, change the color. So now I can adjust the colors inside of this document. And whatever changes I make are immediately updated in Premiere. So that is one of the ways that I can transition between After Effects and Premiere. And what I have to do is save after I've made the changes. And then I can close the file. I have to make sure that I save. And then whatever changes I've made a dynamic link between After Effects and Premiere. So we're going to come back and we're going to do a few more exercises along this track.